Morning, Jason Sen, daytradeideas.com. It's 13th of February. We're looking at Aussie dollar. Yesterday we were looking for a rally up to the 98, 90, 60, 90, 80 area for a selling opportunity, and we were looking to get short up there. Well, we got to 90.67 at least, so if we did manage to get onto some shorts, that trade's worked really well. We have got support down at the sort of 90, 20, 10 area. And I think this is going to hold for now. I do think Aussie will go lower eventually, but for today I think we could hold here. We've got 55-day moving average, we've got some fib support, we've got some previous activity around this area, so I really think 89, sort of 2010 area should hold, and we get a decent bounce off there. If we do manage to get as high as that 90, 60, 90, 80 area, I think that's going to be a good selling opportunity again. We may just have one last stab at that before coming lower. So those are the areas to watch for into the end of the week. A break and also especially a close below 89.00, however, would add pressure, and I think we could then start heading down towards previous lows. I'm looking for a double bottom there. I do think over the next couple of months, if we do test that 86.70, 86.60 area, that's going to be a big buying opportunity, because longer term that's very good support, and I am looking for a recovery from that point. Gold's been behaving fairly well. Let me see, we bottomed out here on the 31st of December. On the 3rd of January we called a low for gold and suggested that we'd head higher through this year. We tweeted that and did various other things to notify people. That's worked really well. As you see, we stayed within this channel for a while, but we've broken higher. We are, however, running into fib resistance at 1293.94. That's where we tried shorts yesterday, and so far they're working quite well. However, I've got a feeling that we don't go down too far just yet. A retest of 1293.94 at some stage, probably before the weekend, looks likely. Just be aware that we could even burst a little higher, get into the low 1300s, low to mid 1300s. We've got 200-day moving average there, we've got some fib resistance and some other bits and bobs there, which does look likely to hold. So just be aware that if we get through the mid 1200s, look for the 1290. Sorry, if we get through the mid 1290s, I should say, we could head up into the low 1300s, and I would be looking to sell into shorts there. I think we're going to start to see some heavy profit taking in gold. We'll have to see how far down we come on that one. Euro's also been behaving itself. We sold into shorts up here at the 136.80-85 area, and that was pretty much the top. Yesterday we came down to our buy level around the 135.80 area. We did bottom out bit below there actually. We got as far as 135.59 I think it was, but anyway, the longs are working. We've headed back up to the 136.30-35 resistance, and I'm calling a top for there today. I'm suggesting that we get out of our longs and go into shorts again. I think we're going to continue this downtrend that we've seen throughout the year so far. Started sort of end of December, and I think that's going to continue, so I prefer shorts in this market. Dollar yen, not so interesting. Not really doing much this week at all. Last few days we've pretty much held in a range, gone sideways. Just be aware that we've got some good support around the 101.80-75 area, and I think that could hold the downside today. I'd really like to see it up in the low 103 area at some stage next week, because I think that's a really good area to get short. I do see this market continuing lower, but I'd like to see it up around there to sell it. Whether I get the chance, don't know. We'll have to just follow that one. Thanks very much. Jason Sen, daytradeideas.com.